Hey kids, how are you? All set for a new lesson? Very nice. I know you're very smart kids. So today we are going to learn about pronoun yours. So yours is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of second person singular or plural. Wait, I'm telling you what is a possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun which tells us that what thing belongs to which person. It usually comes at the end of the sentence. For example, is this scarf yours? So, in this sentence, the pronoun yours tells us that the scarf belongs to second person. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun yours clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun yours is he a friend of yours? So, pronoun yours is also used to show possession towards the second person. But the difference between pronoun your and pronoun yours is that pronoun your is a possessive adjective, which means it is followed by a noun. But pronoun yours is a possessive pronoun, which comes at the end of the sentence and it is not followed by a
noun.
Absolutely correct.
Now I got it.
Very good. So Rudy, our second example is this bottle is yours. So can you tell me why we have used the pronoun yours in this sentence?
Because pronoun yours indicates that the bottle belongs to the second person.
Absolutely correct. And it is a possessive pronoun, which means it is not followed by a noun. So Rudy, read the third example.
The pencil is yours.
Correct. So in this sentence, the pronoun yours tells us that the pencil belongs to
the second person.
Absolutely correct. And pronoun yours is a possessive pronoun, which means it comes at the end of the sentence and it is not followed by a
noun.
Very good. Now give me a high five. Yay! So, I hope you understood pronoun yours very clearly. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.